guys, Cindy A. Lewis here, and we are going to open this Anna Griffin Well Wishes Shaker Card Kit. It makes 30 shaker cards, and everything you need is in here, but I do have a little tape runner and some extra foam dots in case I need them. All right, so let's see what's in the box. Just going to take everything out. Got an instruction kit with the cutest little cards. Look at those, how cute they are. Ooh, I love that cupcake. And then I am going to my niece's little shower, and I guess I'm gonna have to do a generic one like that because she doesn't know what she's having. Okay, so it's pretty simple to make the shaker cards. Get all these already put together sequin bags for your shaker. Then you get all your sentiments right here. Here is everything you need for the little cupcakes. Here are the ones for the tea cup. How cute. And then everything for the little baby card. And then you do get your envelopes. And this is part of the shaker card where you adhere your shaker part. This has got the inside also for your cards. So like send happy thoughts to brighten your day. That's a good one for behind your cupcake or even behind your teapot. But you can choose what you like. On the back, Anna gives you a place to sign handmade by, and those were really tightly together. So let me pull that off. Let's see, you have sending happy thoughts to brighten your day. Hope the lovely surprises are coming your way to make beautiful, wonderful, wonderful birthday wonderful. And then wishing you a day that's special in every way. And then this one is make each day find you feeling more and more like your wonderful self. And so tiny, so small, so loved by all. Congratulations. I think that one's perfect. And then wishing you and your baby love, laughter, and happiness. All right. So I'm going to show you how I put these together. I'm going to make several of them. And then we'll show you at the end. And then you might be interested in this kit. Anna usually sells everything on HSN, but you can find them somewhere else as well. And I had these on my shelf, and I needed some cards because I promised some cards to some friends that watched one of my videos. And if you didn't see it, you should pop on over and watch my make a card 12 cards in a create a kit. Really cool. Anyway, I'm going to make these now, and so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I do is I open up the card, and I'm going to take my sequins, and I'm going to glue them down here. So I just put some adhesive on here and just on the edges of the entire thing. All right, and then I put this on the top of the window here, like this. Now that is going to be my window, and then this part, I pop this little onesie out, and I'm going to glue down this. Now I don't have to glue actually. This is actually a big, huge sticker. So I just take the backing off, if I can get it with my fingernail here. Just pull that off. So this card kit is really easy to use. And you just line it up because it is sticky. Just remember that. And you just push it down. Now, all the pieces are actually stickers as well. So I've got all my pieces here, and I'm going to put this little outline around the gold window. So I'm going to pull that off. Okay. And I want a little bit of that gold to show, I hope. So there we go. It's really sticky. So you can see there's a little bit of gold around there. That's gonna be so cute. Okay, so now I just have to decide how I want everything else to look. You can lay it out like this, however you want it. So, and then just pull the backing off of each of your little pieces that you want to go on your, I'm gonna put this one first. And really and truly, the hardest part is probably just getting that backing off of there. And then little teddy bear. Okay, and then here we are is, well, hello, baby. All right, and then I'm just gonna put this here like this. Well, hello, baby. And then I have this little heart. I'll just put it up here. I like it. And you've made your card. Okay, well, thanks for watching that. Here's the first one that I did. I mean, one of the ones that I did. This is the one with a cupcake. And then I did several of the teacups. They're really, really cute. You can see really shaky. And then this one, and then I did one little baby one. So cute. I can't wait to make the rest of the cards. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this little trip, making these little cards together, and I appreciate you watching my channel. If you would, just please subscribe in that button down there and click the little bell, and you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and have a great evening.